Malalim po talaga yung napagsamahan talaga namin ni Bianca.
Years ago, nagka-work po kami together. It took him a while to warm up, kaya sobrang grateful ako na dumating yung Italy trip namin since nag-shoot nga kami doon.
I wanna connect with Bianca din. Reconnect. Kasi kilala ko lang siya bilang katrabaho. I mean, hindi buo. Kumaga, wala. Interesado ako makilala ka. Talaga.
Pero kahit gaano pa katagal yun, I always care about him. And I'm extremely proud of him.
September to October, nakilala natin isa't isa talaga. I value you a lot. Kung saan ka happy, I'd be happy. I wanna be there for you. I wanna comfort you. Bilang the one na makakaintindi sa'yo the most.
He still knows me then, I think you know him then. I really cared about him 2 years ago. And dumating sa point na aminin ko nasaktan ako.
Tagal po namin din nakapag-usap din kasi bigla na lang po nawala. Walang kahit anong explanation. Siyempre, naging okay din po talaga yung pinagsamahan namin.
Sorry. Nahirapan ako.
Hindi mo kailangan sorry.
I don't wanna lose him, honestly.
Naiintindihan niya talaga ako. Papagaan din niya po yung loob ko. I just want you to know na I appreciate you. You helped me a lot. I hope na alam mo yun.
Take a wish.
And I hope mabigyan mo ko ng chance.
Go. It took you 2 years to tell me.
Yeah.
One day, when you least expect it, you are going to crash into someone who is going to be so soft and gentle with your heart. And you're going to be so glad you kept it open. You're going to be so glad that you continue to fight for it and that you chose to believe it deserved more.